Hiya, Ian Dixon here. How you doing today? Networking, business networking. I've got a tip for you today. A 4 or 5 minute video on networking. Well, not networking generically, but actually more around how much networking should you be doing. So, as a business coach, I have been business networking for 15 years. I've certainly attended in excess of 650 different business networking events. And I've learned a lot about networking over the last 15 years, as I'm sure you can imagine. I often get asked how much networking should I be doing and how much is enough. Sometimes I get asked, should I be networking? Now that we have all of these social platforms, should I even be getting up and going out and having a cooked breakfast with somebody at 6:30 in the morning? So, well, the short answer to that question is absolutely. But it still sits in the top 3 things that you should be doing as a business owner to market your business, is to go out and meet people and to network and to grow your network, to grow your business network. It's like it's stayed in the top 3 for the last 15 years of things that are most beneficial to help you as a business owner. So with that being said, let's come back to this core question of just how much networking is enough. Again, like I said, it's probably going to be 3-4 minutes. It's a nice, simple, straightforward tip. So I'm going to use football as our vehicle to be able to describe how much networking is enough. And the best way to do this is if you could imagine that you go to a networking group that is your favorite place to go, and that you like the people there, and you commit, and you recognize that this is my what I call my home game. This is where I'm going to network and commit to networking on a regular basis, and let the people here know that this is my home game and this is my core networking group. And embrace that, and whether that be on a weekly basis, fortnightly basis, might only be once a month, but wherever your home game is, acknowledge it, recognize it, and share with the people in that networking group that you have chosen them as your home game. Right, so for those that understand football or soccer, if you're watching this in the States, if you have a home game, in fact, football is exactly the same over there, I know, from American football. So you have an away game. So what constitutes an away game? If you play at home on a regular basis, what would make an away game? An away game is a networking opportunity that you seek out and go to on a regular basis that complements your home game. So, and the interesting thing about an away game is that it doesn't have to be a formal networking group. It could be an expo or a seminar or a workshop or one of these ever increasing in popularity online, offline meets, for example, LinkedIn Local, or you could be guest speaking or guesting at another networking event, going along as a guest, for example, or subbing for somebody. Either way, I think you understand the concept here, is that you have a home game that you commit to and go to on a regular basis, that it is consistent and you're reliable, and everybody knows that invariably you're going to be there. And then over the course of that rotation in between your home games, that you seek out away games to go to, A, to expand your network, B, to invite people to your home game, C, to bring back information, leads, new people in your network into your home game network. So one complements the other. So the question was, how much networking should I be doing? You should be going to your home game on a regular basis, and to complement your home game, in between times you should go to an away game. So and the away game could and often is very different to your home game. There you go, nice and simple, 5 minutes. How much networking is enough? All you need to do is play at home and play away every month, and that ticks the networking box. Hope you found that useful. Please do click the subscribe and ding the bell. We'd love to have you as part of our network here, and we look forward to catching up with you on the next video. I'm going to say bye for now.